All right, this is actually working. Oh my goodness. All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another live stream. I need to announce this on Twitter. So I tried going live earlier today and it didn't work for some reason. It just was one of those things. Okay, we're not going to go live today. So anyway, how about I announce this on Twitter and I will be with you all in a minute. Let's see. All right. Let's try this again. Live on YouTube right now. Okay, I'm not seeing any of the comments right now because I need to set things up here. Hello. All right, now I am. Hello, Everardo and Eric. Hello, hello. I'm going to get live. What's up, Slice of Butter? 2 lives today. Yeah, I couldn't go live on YouTube. I try to go live on YouTube every day. I want to make at least one video on YouTube every day. And so thank you, Farah. Thank you. Hello, Oscar. Crab mode 22. Yeah, that's what I think we're going to crab for. We'll see. You know, we're accumulating right now. So we are accumulating. So we'll see what happens. What's up, M. Hake? Let me get set up on TikTok here, and I'll be with you all. I'll be with you all in a minute. All right, going live. As always, I will prioritize the YouTube chat over TikTok. So, can we get a catalyst, please? Patience, my friend. But yes, we need a catalyst to get us out of here. Well, we don't. It's just, you guys know, it's been a there's certain factors going on economically right now, with the Fed and all that you know, if there was some kind of catalyst that inserted some major confidence into the crypto market, then that would be huge. So let's see. When do you think we will go into the bear market? I think it's going to be a while. Tony, am I the only person? What do you mean, am I the only person? Will crypto go back up? Sure, it will. Yes. And I believe this year. I don't think that it's over. So, 1 second here. Oh, man. All right. Still trying to get set up here. Dunkin' in a mug. Nah, it's I got some tea today. So, let's see. What's up, K Group? It was showing me as the only viewer. Oh, Tony, yeah, I just went live, just started going live, but there's 20 people now, and we will go higher. I tried staking AVAX to participate in IDOs, but it turns out I can't because I live in the U.S. Oh, I did not know that was a thing. So, all right, Melanie's tweet, Melania's will is a surprise. Will Cardano go back up to $3? Yes, I think so. TikTok goes a clock, bro. What's up? Loop ring, layer 2, not really paying a ton of attention to the charts, but bullish on it. Yeah. Happy New Year, Laz. I am live on YouTube, everyone, on TikTok. So I went live on TikTok earlier today. So I am prioritizing the YouTube chat for now. And so hop on over to TikTok and I will gladly answer any of your questions there. So Phantom's going crazy. Phantom, I mean, it's doing all right. Yeah, it's getting back to its all-time highs. Have you thought of doing segments during the lives? Yeah, you know what? At some point, maybe I'll do something like what the blockchain, not the blockchain, but Bitboy Crypto does. So, hello, T Bane. When will alts peak this year, in your opinion? I mean, I'm thinking end of the year. I just think we're gonna crab the beginning of the year. So, Cosmos bag at $41. I think I sold too early. Why did you sell all of it? That's the thing. You know, you didn't have to sell all of it. You could have sold half of it or something like that. I know I've said it before, but check out STRX. Maybe at some point. Maybe at some point. Do your September price predictions still stand? Yes. Are we due for mini altcoin season? Yes. No. Well, I don't know. No. Well, all right. Bitcoin dominance is going lower every day. So it's one of these things, you know, if Bitcoin dominance dumps below 40%, then yeah, we could have an altcoin season. What's up, Crypto Ninja? I have never participated in an IDO. I need to do that more. So you're welcome. TikTok goes the clock, bro. Let's see. How high do you think Cardano will go before the bull run is over? Man, I hate doing stuff like this. Cardano is really struggling. And so could it still go to $8 or $10? My $8 prediction was on the bearish side in comparison to a lot of other people. So what prompted Phantom to rise? I don't know. Where do you see XRP going to after the lawsuit? At least doubling. That's going to be huge for the entire crypto community, so crypto market. Remember when you were calling all those alts explosion? User 268. I mean, I still think that we're going to have a pretty big alt season, so I'm not sure what you're asking. A good time to be buying alts. Under 46,000 for Bitcoin, I would say so, yeah. Everything is down. Oh no. Man, you've gotta have a better time preference for that. So let's see. I just bought some Crow. Do you think it could rise like Binance Coin? I think that in market cap, it could be. Binance is a behemoth. I don't know about Binance. I'm not a fan of BTT. Okay, so I answered your question. BTT, bro. Yeah, Cardano goes nowhere for a long time and then it pumps. So let's see. But I think Crow could be the Binance of the United States. So I am live on YouTube. For those of you on TikTok, hop on over my YouTube channel. I am able to respond to every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. So let's see. Quant is my jam. All right. Let's see. Happy, healthy New Year to you and your family. And thank you, Lee Inc. Are you bullish on Solana as in $1,500 in the next couple of years? 4 years from now. 4 figures, yeah. What do you think of Trias, NUM, and RFox and VRA? I don't know anything about NUM and RFox. Those really small market cap ones, I'd be a little bit nervous about them right now. I want to see Bitcoin back in bullish territory before getting on top of those. So thoughts on HBAR? I've always liked HBAR, long-term hold for me. HNT, I can't wait to get my hands on a helium miner. I still have not bought one yet, but the plan is to buy one. I'm a believer. I'm a believer for sure. So Cherry, I don't know. Litecoin, still just as bullish on Litecoin. Watch my most recent video. Hear about the new Litecoin NFT protocols. I have not, no. So let's see. You're welcome, Average Joe. Got my helium miner a while back, but I've been hearing some negative feedback about the HNT project. Do you have any thoughts about the project? I've heard some negative feedback, but people are making money. So let's just keep it simple for a second. Luna, love Luna. I don't think it's going to. Oh, Sam bought a Bobcat in June of 2021, still waiting. Wow. I still think Luna has some upward movement to go. I know it's down today, but Luna, I'm thinking, it should get to 150. So Quant is the chosen one. People were talking about how crazy it was when it was under $200. I hope so. So a bit new to the crypto mining, but I was thinking about investing into an ETH miner. So if you mine ETH, that's how you will make the most money, but you got to be careful with ETH 2.0 coming out. ETH mining is going to be done away with forever. So it's one of those things, if you can mine something else with your Ethereum miner, which I think you'll be able to mine Ethereum Classic, then go for it. Yeah. What could Crow hit? My prediction for Crow was 50 cents, and I still haven't revised it, but higher than where it is now. One blockchain to rule them all. Elrond, people who like Elrond really like Elrond. So let's say I'd recommend getting one ASAP because the demand is too high. Each miner takes about 7 to 8 months. Yeah. I've been in talks with a person who has connections with a company that they'll send me in a miner for free, and I'll get like 20% of the yield. I don't know if it's actually going to happen. It seems that maybe it might be a little shady, but let's see. What do you think about DOT? Price predictions for bull and bear market. DOT dumps really hard in bearish times. And so, but I'm bullish on DOT. I think it'll at least get back to its all-time high. But and so in bear market times, that's what is it? It's a good buy, at the bottom of the bear market if you can time it well. So Crow will be $5 in 2025. I agree with that. Hi, Alex. What do you think Cosmos will go to? I think that Cosmos should at least reach, smash up that like button on YouTube, by the way, please. Cosmos should reach something like Avalanche or Luna's market cap. If it reaches Avalanche's market cap, that's a 2.5x from here. If it reaches Luna's market cap, that's a 3x from here. So I'm very bullish on Cosmos. Is Hex worth all the hype? Don't buy Hex. How long does Bitcoin dominance have to stay below 40 before we get a spark in the alts? I don't know. It's different every time. So Bitcoin's dominance has been in the 30s. During full-blown alt season, it got very low. I don't remember exactly where it went, but I would expect if we had another full-blown alt season that Bitcoin's dominance could get low as low as like 27% or something like that. So do you have any thoughts on running a strong node block? Thank you, Crypto Mind Tricks. Strong is looking very strong. The volume is increasing every day. I have no idea how to run a strong node. Joshua Jake runs a strong node. It's gone very well for him. So we'll see. Do you still think Chainlink will hit $100? Yes. Thoughts on VVS Finance? I am hopeful about VVS Finance. It's partnered with the Crypto.com DeFi platform. And so it's like, you know, VVS isn't one of these junk coins that's going to die. But as long as Bitcoin is struggling the way it has been, VVS isn't going to do very well, especially considering the fact that VVS is super inflationary. But I have like $5,000 worth of VVS. I'm staking it, and I'm going to be patient with it. My opinion on Cadena has great fundamentals, but I do not like their tokenomics. Their tokenomics are awful. Awful, awful, awful. I will never own Cadena. I'm sorry if that offends any of you. So, man, Looney, I talk about Litecoin. I'm so tired of talking about Litecoin. I'm just as bullish about Litecoin as I've ever been. So, do you think it's a good time to DCA into Crow, Algo, and Atom? I think so, yeah. Quant will go to at least 1,000. I hope you're right, Oscar. DOT is inflationary too, right? You know, I haven't looked into DOT's tokenomics. I probably should. Yeah, ICP is doing well. I wouldn't consider it taking off. So, but I don't know if DOT, I mean, Cadena's tokenomics, it's 15% annually for, you know, the next few years, and then it'll go down to like 14%. So, all right, thank you for understanding, Looney. Let's see. Can you do a coin review for ALBT? That's very high on my list. I'll check that out. Seller Network, don't know enough. VET's going to exist for a long time. I'm very bullish on VET. Near Protocol, I'm done. I've been doing some. So I got into Near yesterday. I just did, you know, a quick trade on it. And so it's don't chase a green candle, but I think it could get to $18 short term. But other than that, nope. So let's see. Getting boring with everything sideways, plus many arguments between bear or bull market. I've been holding 5 years and never took profits. Wow. Tata, take profits. You got to take profits. Do you think the ICP project will succeed? I do. Yeah, I think it will. I'm making amends. You know, I was not a huge fan of ICP for a long time. You know, I had criticisms about ICP. You know, things like I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns, things like that. But I'm done with that. I'm beyond it. ICP fundamentally is pretty solid. So VXV has really dropped. Thoughts on the future? I'm still holding my VXV. I'm not sweating it. You know, VXV will be fine. It is. Yeah, that's all I'll say. I've talked about VXV a lot lately too. So I have a few people tell me to buy Flux. I don't know anything about Flux. Sorry. Crow, again, very bullish on Crow. Spell, I don't know anything about Spell. So please stop spamming. What platform are on Atom? There's a lot built on Atom. Luna is built on Atom. I think Solana's built on Atom. Either like one of or both of Solana and Avalanche are built on Atom. Like there's so many things that are built on Atom. Atom is going nowhere as far as like it's not going to die. So any update on the ETH 2.0 rollout? I haven't seen anything, and they're always delayed. I would be shocked if it happened in 2022. You know, let's set low expectations for that. There are plenty of catalysts that can drive this market higher. A spot Bitcoin ETF, the XRP, the Ripple suit ending in a settlement or with Ripple winning, and the Fed reversing on the tapering stuff, which will happen. That will happen. The Fed will reverse because they always do. I bought into the hype too much, thought it was close to blow off tops. I didn't want to sell, but then it went down. Yeah, Tata, lesson learned. I didn't take any profits when Bitcoin got to $69,000. XRP case will settle in April, May this year. I'm hearing something similar to that. And guys, that's not just going to be bullish for XRP. It's not only going to be bullish for ISO 20022 compliant cryptocurrencies. That is going to be extremely bullish for the entire crypto market. So again, don't know anything about Spell. Guys, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I can keep up with the TikTok chat, but I am able to respond to every question or comment on YouTube. So hop on over my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin, and ask a question there, leave a comment there, and I will gladly respond to all of your questions on YouTube. So let's see. Adam to $400. Man, I hope you're right. There's a world where I could see that happening. Opinions on LSS. I haven't paid attention to LSS since November. So still looks like a solid project. It's a microcap, so I'm staying away from microcaps right now. I didn't take profits either. You're not alone. It was waiting. We just missed it this time. Yes. Yeah. Whales bought the top. I'm telling you guys, whales never, ever buy the top. They bought the top. They buy local tops, but they never buy the top. And they bought the top at $69,000. It's not over. If you were to guess who will hold the first spot ETF, which company and why? I don't know. I'm rooting very much for, oh my goodness, the big one, the one that holds 600,000 Bitcoin. I'm totally blanking on them right now. Somebody help me out real quick. Do you have any quant in your portfolio? Yeah, I have a decent amount of quant. Is there a time frame in the past where the crypto market is behaving as it is now? No, I'm telling you right now, what we're seeing is unprecedented. It is, there are certain metrics that would indicate that we are at like the bear market bottom. Believe it or not, for Bitcoin, I'm not talking about for anything else. For Bitcoin, there are metrics that would indicate that we are at the bear market, that the bull run ended in May. That was the end of the bull run. It ended in May. And right now, in January of 2022, we are at the bear market bottom, which, like, once we get, so are we in a bull market or a bear market? I mean, we hit $69,000 in a bear market. Grayscale, thank you, Sambo. Yeah, that's what I'm rooting for. Not MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy needs to stop buying Bitcoin. It's just, I don't want one entity to hold all the Bitcoin. So we hit $69,000 in a bear market. By certain metrics, you can look at what happened when we hit $69,000. Nobody was interested in Bitcoin, and we still hit $69,000. That is super bullish for medium term, for long term. We're going to crab a little bit, but that's okay. So anyway, any thought on new coin by Cody and Cardano DJet? I don't know anything about that. Are you worried about the current state of the market? If we are at the bear market bottom, then I am very much not worried about the state of the market. So what do you think Bitcoin will top at? Over $100,000. I've been saying that. The question is when. Like, guys, you have to, the goal is to own the most. That's a good point. You have to be mentally prepared for the possibility that 2022 is just going to be a crab year. I don't think that's what's going to happen, but it is possible. It's possible. But if 2022 is a crab year, then I'm super bullish for 2023. So I've seen people saying quant will one day reach Bitcoin's price. Thoughts on that? 14 million quant in existence. So there's fewer quant than Bitcoin. I think that's their logic. It's not inflationary in that, in the regard that that's a cap. So will it one day reach Bitcoin's price? I mean, like $46,000, will quant one day reach $46,000? It could, yeah. I mean, I don't think it's ever going to, that if it reached Bitcoin's price, the same exact price as Bitcoin at the same time, that means it would be what, 2/3 of Bitcoin's market cap? I don't see that happening. So Grayscale, does Grayscale have a ticker symbol? GBTC. Would you suggest moving altcoins into more stable coins now? No, not necessarily. Take profits. So some troll is saying crypto is a scam. You will learn one day. Most bullish ecosystem going forward, in your opinion? Cosmos. So Cosmos's tokenomics aren't great. I don't understand them entirely. I haven't looked into. I mean, they're inflationary. But so maybe that's not the best return on investment, but everything is built on Cosmos. I want to say Luna, but Luna's built on Cosmos. So if Luna thrives, then Cosmos is going to thrive. Happy New Year, Clarence. C. Bo, what's up, my man? What do you know? What is a quantum resistant blockchain? Is there a quantum resistant blockchain existent right now? So, all right, I've been trolled. Everyone say goodbye to I've been trolled on TikTok. Bye bye, bye bye. I've been trolled. All right, human from Earth, you are not muted. Nope. Let's see. But Quant can definitely reach a $10 billion market cap, which would be a 5x. I agree on that. Yeah. What is going on with Chainlink? Seems to be pumping while everything else has been crabbing. I think Chainlinks just do. Yeah, Chainlinks do. So, do you still recommend having a 50% portfolio in ETH? I would say more like 25%. I don't know if I ever said 50%. So, I think the most I ever said was 35%. Now it's 25%. What I'm looking for is I would put like 25% in Ethereum and then like 15% and it was spread it out among the Ethereum, the ETH killers. So market's making me crabby. Yes, sir. Me too. All right, let's see. What do you think about the Bitcoin whale who bought 450 Bitcoin today at 46,000? He's been buying for a while. That's number 3 biggest Bitcoin holder. And yeah, he keeps buying. So cool, man. You know, let's see. Will ICP keep pumping? I think it still has some room to go up. Yeah. Bye-bye, troll. Thought on ODAO staking. I don't know anything about Olympus DAO staking. Litecoin still just as bullish on Litecoin as I've ever been. So sell frame is quantum resistant. Okay, everybody, sell frame is quantum resistant. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. I cannot keep up with the chat on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. So hop on over to YouTube and all your wildest dreams will come true. Sell frame, all right, answer that. Quant or Solana? Solana. I've been saying Solana for a while in between that comparison. And I don't know why people keep asking me Quant or Solana. It's not like they're all that related. But okay, please, VET, TRX, Dent. Don't know anything about Dent. VET, I'm very bullish on VET long term. I know that's been crabbing for about a year. I'm bullish on it. Tron, I'm just not a fan of anything that Justin Sun has touched. You know, Tron will be fine. It'll rise with the rest of the market. It'll outperform at certain times. But I'm not planning on ever owning any Tron. So XRP end of the year prediction, man, that's really tough. I mean, higher than where it is now, you know, maybe $3 or something, but how high will it go in between then? I've been looking at their website and their roadmap, and Quant has a lot planned for this year. Awesome. That's great. That's great. So have you heard of Ecomi and Vivi? Yes. I really like Ecomi. They have the potential with their NFT partnerships to be awesome, to be huge. And so I have no idea. I don't own any. I have not paid attention to the price, but yeah, lots of potential with Ecomi. Crow, again, Crow, super bullish on Crow. Super, everything that they're doing. They started an NFT platform. They started a DeFi platform. The DeFi platform is awesome. I love their DeFi platform. So I'm bullish on Crow. The Crypto.com arena and the former Staples Center, all their partnerships, the UFC, Formula One, they are positioning themselves to be the Binance of the United States. SHIB, I'm not a big fan of SHIB. So I've been looking, let's see, what's a better time to research than when the market is in downtrend? Radix. I'm going to research Radix tonight. I'm telling you, human from Earth, I'm researching Radix tonight. What do you think Dana price will be when Bitcoin hits 100,000? I have no idea. It depends on when. If Bitcoin hits 100,000 tomorrow, you know, I mean, not that it's going to, but if it were to hit 100,000 tomorrow, then I would expect maybe a 3x for Radix, for Cadena. If it hits it in like 5 years, then I would expect Cadena's price to be like a 1.5x because they're super inflationary. So I have not heard of QANX. I don't know anything about Ray. So sad lately, bro. Crypto kind of dead. That's the time to buy. I love hearing you guys say that crypto's dead. Please, more of you, please say that crypto's dead. At what price would you start selling XRP? Above its 2017 high. Please, VET and Dent. Oh yeah, I already answered that. AR or Filecoin. Man, Filecoin. I mean, all right, I'm about to say that is Filecoin dead. So maybe it's the time to buy. So give me Pirate Chain over Filecoin. When do you think this bull run ends? Man, I think we're going to crab for a while. So, you know, if it doesn't happen by May, The saying is true. Sell in May and go away. That is very, very true. If it doesn't happen in May, then the fall. Do you think a correction is coming to 40K is coming before heading up? You're welcome for my streams. No, I don't think we're going to 40K. We are not seeing weakness at these bounces below 46K. We're seeing strength. This is a period of accumulation. So could we go back to the liquidation lows? Could we sweep those lows? Yeah, we could. But I don't think we're going to see like 39,999. So just got here. What's the quick ticker for Quant? QNT. Again, for those of you on, do I see Crow coming down a little more in the near future? I mean, a little bit, yeah. For those of you live on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Hop on over to my YouTube channel. There's no way I can keep up with the live stream with the chat on TikTok, but I am able to respond to everything on YouTube. So head on over there. Doge Protocol, I've heard of Doge Protocol. I mean, apparently they're going to fight against quantum computing. Awesome. If you can do that, please do it. So yes, until the market reaches bottom completely, where are you going to stake your gains? Where am I going to stake my just stable coins, probably Anchor. Meaning right at the beginning of the bear. You aren't going to sleep tonight, bro. Radix founder has been R&D since 2013. You'll see. All right. Yeah, 45K is holding. You're welcome, Fabiola. 45K going to break TBH. It might. I'm not going to panic if it does. It might. Yeah, it might. But so be it. Are you bullish on your hair in 2022? Sure. I'm in a small profit with ADA. If there's another top 20 you would recommend to shift my funds to or hold. Appreciate your input. How about you hold on to half of your ADA and then put it into a different ETH killer? I'd put it in like Cosmos or Algorand. How do you earn free crypto? You can stake it. There's that. Talk more about Anchor Protocol, please. I made a TikTok about Anchor. So it explains how you can get 19.5%, how it actually works, that you can get 19.5% APY on your Anchor. You get rewarded in Luna, which is awesome. Oh my goodness. So let's see. Should I reshuffle my portfolio, getting more top tier coins, Bitcoin and ETH, or wait till alts move up a bit, then cash out to gain more Bitcoin and ETH? I would wait until alts move up a bit. Yeah. I mean, unless you have microcaps, I would honestly just get out of microcaps right now. Because, I mean, what if Bitcoin ranges until like March? What if it just stays in the 40s until March? I don't think that's going to happen. But I'm telling you, alts will dump really hard if that happens. So don't sleep on Hoj. I'm going to sleep on Hoj. Yeah. Did you see Pi hitting mainnet? Oh, did it? I mean, I haven't seen anything about that. No. Pulse X. All right. I mean, I've gotten a lot of questions about Pulse. Richard Hart. I have plenty of Richard Hart in my life. Smash up that like button, by the way. I have plenty of Richard Hart in my life right now. I have Hex. I'm good. But look what Hex did. I mean, if you bought Hex in November of 2020, I don't even know how much higher you are, but it's got to be something like a 500x. So what if Pulse does the same thing? It could. So did you notice ICP is up 20% today? Thoughts? ICP is up 20% today. It is lumped in with ETH killers. And so, yeah, it's ETH killer season. We had Solana, we had AVAX, we had Luna. Now it's Adam's turn. I think Algorand is going to come soon. ICP is up right now. And thoughts on Algo? I check out the TikTok that I made today. I put Algorand was the only one that I mentioned twice in that TikTok, as far as this is the cryptocurrency that, these are the cryptocurrencies I think you should have in your portfolio. So let's see, when to start taking profit from Phantom? Now. Take some. Bullish or bearish on crypto right now? Crabbish, but if you put a gun to my head, I'm going to say bullish. When do we see ADA rise? Much longer than you hope for and sooner than you expect. ADA will pump when ADA pumps. So where to stake Crow? You can do it on crypto.com DeFi platform. That's where I would recommend. Yeah, I love Algo. I mean, the Chivas wallet in El Salvador, the Bitcoin wallet is built on Algorand. So just put 20K in the market. Wow. All right. Awesome. Mana. Question about Mana. So Mana is, it's big metaverse cryptocurrency. And I would say we are on the wrong side of metaverse. I would not buy any metaverse anything for like the first 2 or 3 months of 2022. And so, yeah, I like mana? I love mana. I'm still holding my mana. Like, I'm talking about new entries. I would not put new entries into anything metaverse right now. I would wait for it to cool off a bit because there's a ton of froth in metaverse right now. Every hot cryptocurrency has the word meta in it, and they're just trying to take your money. So wait a couple months, and then yeah, mana. Litecoin down for a while. Yeah, Litecoin I think is going to be down for a while. I don't think if Bitcoin's going to be down, if Bitcoin's going to crab, then Litecoin's going to crab. So Silo, I don't know anything about Silo. Matic, bullish on Matic. It's been really hot right now. Yeah, sleeping projects are waking up. I agree with you, Gladiator. Time Wonderland. I have no intention. I would not get into Wonderland right now. Again, as Avalanche goes, so goes Wonderland. I don't think we're going to see that much more for Avalanche over the next couple months. It had its big pump, and now it's kind of just chilling. So, man, am I still live on YouTube? I haven't gotten a comment on YouTube in quite a while. So I'm going to check that out real quick. Solo. Oh, yeah, the airdrop. I got some airdrop to me, but the ETH gas fees were too much. I would sell it. I'd sell it right away. Let's see. I'm still live. All right, I'm still live. Thank you, all of you. Thoughts on one? I haven't looked into one. SLP, that's another microcap. I would stay away. So, just listening. It's all good. Thank you. It's refreshing to actually be caught up. All right, have 7K. What to buy? I have 0.6 ETH and 0.6 Bitcoin and 7 ETH. How about Algorand? And how about Cosmos? How was the Red River Gorge? It was awesome. Natural Bridge was killing it, man. I loved it. So, Phantom just getting started? Yeah. Why you take profits so early? What? I mean, I learned my lesson from last time. What you're saying is okay. What? I'm not sure what you're saying, Mars. What's your opinion of the Bitcoin dominance dropping? This usually happens at cycle tops. So, all right. I mean, there's things on my radar with that, Andrew. Yeah. If Bitcoin's dominance is going to drop and it's going to continue to drop, and we see what should happen is we should see something crazy happen with alt season. And if we see a big alt season, then I'm going to go risk off very aggressively. So it is what it is. What are your thoughts on Deeper Network? I don't know anything about Deeper Network. Buy Dot. I don't disagree with that. BPro. I haven't looked into BPro's price. Gambling on the blockchain makes sense, but I haven't looked into BPro's price at all. So, Anchor Web3 bullish. If Trump runs in 2024, how will it affect LGB? LGB? Are you talking about like gay people? Yeah, Red River Gorge, awesome climbing. Kusama, bullish on Polkadot, so I'm bullish on Kusama. Redacted Cartel's butterfly token. You guys could just throw in random words and I'd be like, what are we talking about? So, Evergrow, not really paying attention to Evergrow. Bezos Earth, nothing, sorry. Let's go Brandon Coin, okay. BPro is Web3. Anchor's Web3. I would get some exposure to Web3. So, yeah. Can GRT beat its all-time high of $8? It's under 70 cents. I'm guessing no. Litecoin is not dead. No. Why is Ocean pumping? Is Ocean pumping? I didn't even realize Ocean was pumping, so I have no idea. But yeah, Deeper Network. What? Hey man, been a while. What's up, William? Hello. I hope all is well with you. Are you going to be Asic mining soon? That's kind of a bear market activity for me, Sister Beauty. So I hope so. Multivac is very high on my list of cryptocurrencies to research. Very, very high. I'll do a YouTube video about it soon, which means you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. What do you think of the big CEOs like Tim Cook and Jeff Bezos don't talk about cryptocurrency? I don't know. Maybe because they're accumulating. So didn't Tim Cook say that he has crypto? So I don't know anything about Spell. Bought 3K of light when you said it would hit 1K by March. Jose, I have a question for you, Jose. Did I ever guarantee that it was going to hit 1K by March? I don't even remember saying 1K by March. I mean, I thought that alt season would come in January. But the thing that I would say is I never guarantee anything. You will never, I guarantee you that you will never hear me guarantee anything crypto related. But then the big thing that I would say is I always preach patience. And so I have no sympathy for you, Jose. None at all. Best crypto coin to start with as a beginner, Bitcoin, always. Litecoin will be a beast. Yes, I fully agree, John McCarty. He said by end of bull run and the run isn't over. Unfortunately, I wish it was. I'd love to sleep. So I don't get into politics. It's supposedly on some NASCAR car. Okay. All right. Anyway, January isn't gone yet. We could still do well. I think we're going to crab. Do miners get cheaper in the bear market? I don't think so. No. Dash is dead. Okay. I'm not paying attention to Dash, but you're the first person I've heard to call this a bear market bottom. What gives you this indication? So I'm not saying, Thomas, I'm not saying that this is a bear market bottom. I am saying that there are certain things that typically happen at bear market bottoms. And the big thing that I'm looking at, and you can see this video on my TikTok, is the thing that you can see is the gap between short-term holders and long-term holders is the biggest gap of all time. Long-term holders have 9.5 million more Bitcoin than short-term holders. And at the previous bear market bottom, it was like 8.5 million. And at the bear market bottom before that, it was 7.5 million. That is what happens. And then when that gap is at its widest, that is usually at the point of the bear market bottom. So here's a concept that I will introduce. And I know nobody has ever said this. Instead of lengthening cycles, what if there's such a thing as shortening cycles? Just some food for thought. Because if May was the peak, which by certain metrics, May was the end of this bull run, then that is much quicker than the previous cycles. And so maybe there's going to be another cycle within this cycle where things are going to go crazy. So wait, do you think these prices now will be similar to the prices in the bear market? I think the prices are going to be a little bit higher in the bear market. So where is Quant going? I have no idea. Quant does what Quant does. So MV Chain, I don't know about NV Chain. Let's see, is Engines Pump over? Yes, it is. For now, until like spring or something. January isn't, or answered that. I'm still getting into Asic Mining. Any suggestions? No, I don't do it. So buying any Bitcoin mining call options lately? No, I'm not. I've gotten burned by that twice now. So got my ledger today. Quick. Once I transfer my crypto ledger, will it still make money? I mean, it'll still increase in value. I'm not sure what you mean as far as staking or something like that, because it won't. Any thought on XYO? I made a video about XYO a long time ago. I am bullish on it. I'm still, quote unquote, mining it or mining coin and converting that to XYO. So yeah, Cycleception. I love VeChain. Yes, very bullish on VeChain long term. Could it have shortened that much so quickly? I don't know, But here's something. Maybe we won't have another bull market. We won't have another big bull market until next halving. But remember what happened in 2019. Bear market bottom. The conditions right now are similar to bear market bottoms. I'm not saying this is the bear market bottom, but conditions right now are similar to bear market bottoms. Remember what happened after the bear market bottom in 2015, in December of 2018, excuse me. So then 2019, the price of Bitcoin quintupled, more like quadrupled in a span of 6 months. So we hit a new all-time high. We hit $69,000 in a time that was similar to bear market conditions. You know, $69,000 in a time when there was very little interest in Bitcoin. So what happens if we have another mini bull run like December of 2018 to June of 2019? I could see that being a thing that happens, and people are going to say that that was the peak of the bull market. That could have just been another. Maybe have been a mini bull run within the bear market. So, why you answered my question? What? I don't know. Blah blah blah. Ha ha. Dude, just talking. Yeah, I am just talking. That's why I'm live, idiot. But over the trend, we have been elongating our bull market. Yes, but you know, there was mania until May, and then there was no mania whatsoever. And so, will mania return? That's the question. Could it have shortened that much so quickly? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, maybe there's going to be another mania run. So, will you go live with CVO Crypto anytime soon? Yeah. Could you explain the factors that you think determine the price of crypto? Are the retail market investors a big influence, or are there other market factors? Oh my goodness, that is a whole can of worms. Let's see. I don't make content about this, but everything is scary to me. Sign of the end times. Oh man, Crypto Maniac. Dropping bombs, Crypto Maniac. Much love for Crypto Maniac, man. Dude, so I'm assuming, are you like a premillennial Christian? Because I'm post-mill, dat post-mill. But man, end times, that's something else. So ETH prediction end of the month, how about $3,800? But okay, Thomas, sorry, I got distracted by Crypto Maniac here. And so the factors, so tokenomics obviously plays a huge factor. It's like, is it inflationary? Is it deflationary? How inflationary is it? Belief, just like anything else, belief, but also money flowing into it, like major layer ones, total value locked on their platforms is going to have a huge effect on the price. How much people need to utilize that cryptocurrency, get into that cryptocurrency to gain access to other cryptocurrencies. That's what drove Binance Coin up from like $20 in December of last year to $750 in May. So there's a ton of things. So, all right. Did Crypto Maniac say anything else? I saw him in this live stream here. All right. Nope. All right. Let's make sure we take care of ourselves. You do know that Wall Street is controlled by the Fed? I mean, yes. My bad. Yeah, man, that should be a discussion, but I'm thankful I have Christ in my life. All right. Yes, sir. Amen to that. All right. Bro, should I buy Axie or Filecoin? Whew. Oh, man, not Axie. So I guess Filecoin. I mean, there's certain people that are bullish on Filecoin. Just Filecoin is just, man, it's been rough. So we were all expecting highs by the end of the year. That's why there was no way it was happening. Yeah, that's a good point. Let's see. Do you think that the blow off top and euphoria phase is in the NFTs instead of individual coins? NFTs as a whole seem to be pretty euphoric right now. Andrew, that's a great question. And here's the thing that I will say to that. The answer is no way. No way. And here's why. NFTs, the NFT total market cap only got up to about $22 billion. I made a video about this last week. The NFT total crypto market, total market cap only got up to about $22 billion. When we had meme coin mania in May, just meme coins got up to like $150 billion. So no. And I always had an eye on that. And the answer is no, that wasn't the mania. It just wasn't. So I'm buying down Ford stock while watching. It's okay, Caro Crypto. Talked about Cadena a lot. Flux, I don't know anything about Flux. Will we be raptured before or after Bitcoin hits 100K? I don't believe in the rapture. So after, let's see. What else could have a shortening effect on the market? I think there might come a time when that comes when it looks like the stock market less predictable. Yeah, Sambo, yes. But a shortening effect on the market. What could have a shortening effect? I mean, just we were expecting, we were all ready for cryptos to take off. And then it happened and we peaked in May and then all the craziness went away. So will my kids go to college? Should your kids go to college? That's a question. You know, my daughter is smarter than I am. She's 10 years old. I'm saying that, a little tongue in cheek, but she doesn't want to go to college. And I'm like, yeah, maybe you shouldn't go to college. End of time, that puts a damper on the day. Yeah, my ADA will moon the day after. John McCarty, yeah. I don't know anything about flow, sorry. Should I buy Bitcoin now? You should buy Bitcoin any day that starts with T. So Tuesday, Thursday, today, tomorrow, Tatterday, Tunday, any day that starts with T, you should buy Bitcoin. Should I buy Crow now or wait? I think you should buy some Crow. Bitcoin is at $46,145. The 45 range has been support. You know, we could go lower, but I would buy some Crow now. In my mind, NFTs and coins are apples and oranges. Yeah, that's a good thought, Sambo. Did PhD, worst decision in my life. Should have bought Bitcoin instead. Ha, yeah. Let's see. Never hurts to have a degree. First thing my mother-in-law asked me before letting me date her son. That is not something that I will ever ask any potential suitor to my children, but good. It is what it is, you know? So where are the cryptocurrency companies at? I'm not sure what you're asking, Music Man. Are you talking about like the miners? So here's something that is super bullish for Bitcoin. The miners are not selling their Bitcoin, and in fact, they are buying. They're raising capital. They're raising fiat capital to buy more miners. It's like, do you think? Oh man, I'm telling you, one of my best friends works in a field of, oh my goodness, I'm totally going to break it. Conductors. I think it's conductors. But anyway, whatever he sells, and he sells millions of dollars worth of this thing that he sells. And and Bitcoin miners are begging him for more product. It's like, it's the easiest sale of all time. They're begging him. They are begging him for more of his inventory. And they just can't get enough. So I'm late to crypto. You are not late to crypto. No, I have ETH at 2,600, Bitcoin at 50,000. Should I hold Bitcoin or sell and get more ETH? You should hold Bitcoin, man. I don't hold any Cadena. I've talked a lot about Cadena. I hate their tokenomics. Do you think Shiba will ever rise again? No. Well, yes, it will. But I think it's going to be a few months. Hey, now, I did not say preach a rapture. Even post mills believe we will rise. Oh, there we go. Yes, YMCA, dude. That's right. Nope, I don't hold any Cadena. All right, answered that. Okay, guys, I got to run. I have to help my son with his homework, and I'm going to look into Radix, do some research on Radix, and hopefully make a video soon. So I'm done for today, but thank you all for your time. Another person saying cryptocurrency is a scam for fools. You will be converted one day, Music Man. And you may think that you won't be converted one day, but you will be converted one day. Excuse me. Went down the wrong pipe. Semiconductors. There we go. Semiconductors. All right. Yeah, the dollar is a scam. That's a great point, Cowgirl Crypto. The dollar is a scam. Bitcoin is sound money. So good luck to you with your dollar. All right. Do you think the taper starting in March will have a negative effect on pricing? It seems that there have been several Bitcoin price peaks have been released on CPI days. CPI days, yes. I don't think CPI is going to be high next month. It's not so. I'm going to talk with the many CEO soon, maybe tomorrow. So yeah, I'm done. I got to run. Sorry, Leon. I'm running.